I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about ransomware. Ransomware, typically, sometimes you can go to a website or you click on an attachment and you don't see anything happening straight away, but it works in the background and it starts encrypting all of your files, and it uses the Windows operating system's encryption tool to basically encrypt the files, and they keep a copy of the key. They then hold you to ransom, get you to pay bitcoins. When you pay the bitcoins, you have a chance of them giving you the key, which will decrypt your data. If you don't want to pay the ransom, the best thing to do is wipe the machine out and recover from your backups. So that's why it's extremely important to make sure that you've got good regular backups and you've got your data stored in multiple places. We have had customers where they had a local backup and the local backup ran and it encrypted the local backup as well. So you always want to make sure, whether you keep the data in the cloud or a local backup, that you have multiple versions that you can go back to, and don't just rely on one backup. So if you don't want to get hit with crypto, come in, speak to us about your backup options. Make sure that you're protected, because you don't really want to be paying a criminal organization ransom money with no guarantees that you're even going to get your data back. I'm Roland with Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.